Today, we will try to recreate the famous two-rail kick shot of the best pool player in the world, Efren Reyes. The two-rail kick shot was named the iconic Z-Shot, after Efren pulled out this incredible shot against Earl The Pearl Strickland. The magician calculated this shot and perfectly pocketed the two-rail kick shot in perfection. Now, we will recreate the famous Z-Shot. Two professional pool players, former RP team, Dondon the Razor Razalan from Manila, and the #1 ranked pool player in Cagayan de Oro City, JanJan alias Kuyat. Let's see how many tries does it take for this local professional pool players to land Efren's iconic Z-Shot. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated for more upcoming videos here in Pinoy Billiard TV.
Yun! Yun! Wala.
Wala. Gusto mo kayo. Sabi na kuha din na siya. Grabe din yung sipan ba? Pero natin yan. Yan, pwede yan.
Yeah, pwede yan.
Parang di ba nausapan? Grabe pakpak din ko na sa kuman. Kilaraw pa dito na. Oo, wala itong pinsabos na siya.
Kato!